welcome to the journey that is physics, I guess. So Ajke, we're going to be teaching you some stuff, and we're trying to make it as interestingly as possible. So first of all, let's show them. Let's show them the cars. Okay. What we're doing is we want to make physics classes more interesting, engaging, more relevant, I guess, to make it more real life. And etar jonno, we're going to be using lots of different stuff once a week, not all the time. Once a week, we're going to be doing these classes where you guys get to see different stuff and then enjoy, the practical end of physics. Practically can make it. This is meant for you guys. That's why we're using these ideas, so that you guys, if you guys find this stuff interesting, you guys can actually think about, okay, I want to try doing this, and then we can certainly do it. Engaging students in actually doing lots of hands-on physics marker stuff. So this is one of those things. So this is a DIY car. So can anyone guess the parts of this car?
Yeah.
We can start with, I'll help you. These are the wheels. These are the wheels. Yes, very good. So these are batteries. Very good. These are batteries. So these are not your normal pencil batteries. These are the special type of batteries which are used.
Lithium batteries, right?
Lithium batteries. They're called 18650 batteries. This part, anyone wants to guess what this part is?
This is the circuit or module of the Arduino Uno.
Yeah. So there you go. Arduino Uno. Excellent. Nice. Smart. Will be fine. This is basically what we call the control unit or microcontroller or microprocessor. This is the brains of the car. So it basically communicates using this component, and then the signal comes here, the power is pulled into here, and then it tells the four wheels to move. So this is obviously an electric car where all the wheels move independently. It's pretty cool, actually. Other than the fact that this car looks better, can anyone tell me another difference between these two cars? About the wheels, let's be more specific. From a normal car, what do you think is different? Before we go ahead, this is another one of those cars. So, does anyone see the battery pack?
No.
No battery pack. So how does this car power itself? Any idea? How can this car run without batteries?
So I don't know. Solar energy or something like that? Like using a different type of energy?
A different type of energy, like kinetic energy, throwing the car. Okay. No, not a bad idea. আচ্ছা তোমাদেরকে বলি, এত electronics আছে নিশ্চয়ই ব্যাটারি ছাড়া হবে না, right? Batteries on the bottom side. Here's the battery. So Sajid, let's go ahead, try driving this car around and try to figure out what's different about it from your normal car যেটা রাস্তাতে চলে। What's different about this car?
The front wheels don't turn.
That's right. Smart. The front wheels do not turn. So how does the car turn?
I'm guessing one of the wheels is turning faster than the other, or one is going forward and
smart,
is reverse.
You guys are smart. Grade 9 is smart. I'm impressed. Good job. This car, however, this is something we bought. So etar abar you see the front wheel can turn. So okay guys, hold on, technical difficulty. Anyway, so as our team tries to fix the car, I would like to ask you a few questions so far. What do you think we're trying to teach you today? One of the first and most important things I'm trying to say, again outside of your syllabus, is very important. If you want to learn physics and if you want to make it an interesting subject, you have to have some real life exposure to the stuff that you're going to learn. Now, it's not going to be fun. It's going to be pretty boring. And most importantly, you won't remember stuff. Okay. I think we're good to go. Guys, Zoom people.
Yes, guys.
Okay, take us. Nice. Let's go. Take a car and let's go. Okay. So What does this look like? Any idea what it looks like? That looks pretty cool. Okay, so what we're going to do is, anyone yet figured out what we're trying to teach today? What we are trying to teach is basically how to measure distances, speed, velocity, each of these. That's actually what we're trying to teach. Let's try putting this camera back on. So this should be. Sure. There we go. This has that fast and furious mark angle on it. Huh? Let's go, guys. Oh, it's stuck. Hey, chaka khule gaye. All the weirdest things ever. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to use this car to understand the concept of speed. Okay, so you guys can see this white line, right? Na? আবার খুলে গেল টাকা কই আছে না ভিতরে আছে আজব একটা গাড়ি so how can we find the speed of this car as we're going কথা বলে বলে যাই so how do you think
by measuring distance and time
all right very good measuring distance and time so how can we measure distance for this car and how are we going to measure time for this car
what is করব time measuring এর জন্য
stopwatch দিয়ে time measure করলাম very good how can we measure distance
আমরা distance measure করব
measuring tape but we have a meter rule
yeah meter rule yes
আচ্ছা তাহলে meter rule use করবা নাকি measuring tape use করবা is the meter rule meter rule okay guys those of you who think we should be using a meter rule okay 4 people so 5 6 7 8 9 10 8 people says meter rule anyone else wants to go for meter rule okay and those of you who okay you can put your hands down now those of you who say measuring tape nobody says measuring hey আসলে কেউ measuring tape নাই
you said 8 people
8 people said meter rule
and 2 people said measuring tape
2 people acha
Yeah.
okay so this is the important part about doing physics practically and that is if we want to measure a length using this tape this meter rule it's going to be pretty difficult Mugdho do you want to try yes so if Mugdho wants to start measuring this distance this is 1 meter এখান থেকে শুরু করে এতটুকু তারপরে what do you do so ভালোই ঝামেলা he has to place it here তারপর আবার মাপতে হয় and then 2 meters ঠিক আছে so do you see how Mugdho's life has become very difficult right now best কষ্ট 3 meters Mugdho keep going why you stop
because I would use a measuring tape
okay Mugdho would use a measuring tape how would you use a measuring tape oh look at that so I hope you can understand the practical আচ্ছা তুমি কি রাস্তার ওকে নাইস আসলে দেখো তো এই যে এই দাগ থেকে হাউ ফার ইজ ইট এখানে একটা দাগ আছে go to the dotted line সোজা করো বাঁকা সোজা এটা টাইট করো তোমারটা টাইট করো just roll it up okay there we have it we have a very easy way of measuring the distance and it's more practical and we have exact value this is for 20 meters you could say a little less than 20 আচ্ছা এটা কি চলতেছে ঠিক আছে
না এটার ব্যাটারি নেই
okay let's try to find the speed
I think it's not.
এটার অডিও কি আসছে so I'll be putting the car on this line এই যে এখানে the front of the I need someone to go to the dotted line thank you Mugdha and I need someone এটা কি করছো তুমি
আমি কিছু করি
এই
না
যে দেখছো মানে
টেবিলের উপর ছিল
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে okay so who's using a stopwatch
I love
okay I have my mask on now everyone make sure you wear your mask when you are outside because we're measuring the time needed for this car to travel a distance of 20 meters and we'll also count in the time required if the wheel falls off because unfortunately the wheel might fall off we're just gonna okay let's go please oh nice right we have a time अच्छा 15 seconds oh अच्छा 11 seconds okay 11.87 so that's right let's round it off to 12 so what's the speed of the car guys class se jara aso
The speed is 1.67.
1.67 meters per second low battery okay now we're going to try this one yeah বলতেছি এই যে গেল 15.89 interesting are you sure about that
Yep.
guys what do you think we should do if we're not sure about something students Zoom people
We should try it again.
show of hands let's have a show of hands for the red car being the first one Acha, how many hands for the other one moment of truth let's see which car wins
Count down though.
count down though ফালতু জিনিস ফালতু না মানবো না সোজা যায় না কেন এটা যাক ঠিক আছে যাক it's the red one so yeah that's what I meant
13.04 for the red one, 19.89 for the GI.
সময় বাড়ছে
Yep.
interesting
After some of the
anyone can tell me why did the red one take longer this time
Sir, because the driver was bad.
Okay, maybe. Any other reasons?
The battery was low.
Hey, the battery is dead. Did you guys see the video? Sorry, not to say that. The battery is dead. So, what do you guys think we learned today so far?
this speed measure করা
How to calculate speed.
How to calculate speed, right? We also learned how to measure distance and also how to choose the proper measuring device. That are very important. Another thing we learned was the concept of the importance of repeating an average, right? So repeat an average korle. If you're not sure about a reading, if you want to scientifically prove it's correct, that's when you do a repeat an average. That's also something we learned. Bye bye everyone. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.